Hi guys, my name is Alex. I work for Smiles Orthodontics in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and today I will be showing you how to work with the Carriere SLX brackets. So I have a model here that I will demonstrate for you. This is the SLX opening tool that you'll use to open up the brackets. So what you'll do first is just make sure that you have, most importantly, what's called a finger rest underneath the tooth that you're starting. And then what you do is you go into the first bracket. I usually personally start with the upper left central. You just place the tool into the little hole that's there, and you'll push down with your thumb, and you'll hear a double click. And then you'll move to the next one. You push down, double click, and just make sure that that finger rest is underneath the tooth. Because sometimes, if that's not there, you have a chance of slipping, and you don't want that. So you'll keep going to the hole, double click, next one, double click, and then I come back around here to the upper right central. And just go all the way around. And then once they're all open, you can take out the wire. I usually use a bird beak plier to do that. And then to put it back in, you just thread it through the molar tubes and go around and just close the doors. And you'll hear a double click while you close the doors as well. And you come around, double click, and so forth.
Alex, what about sometimes when a door gets a little bit stuck? Do you have a different technique that you would use?
Yes, if a door gets stuck and you're not able to pull it down and get that first click, I sometimes go up into this little V part of the bracket, put the tool up there, and just pull it down from that point.
Do you find that works a lot on those?
Yes, it does. And if it's being more stubborn than that and it will not open, you can always put a little bit of etchant on the bracket, leave it on, and then try opening, and that should work as well.
All right, great. Thanks, Alex. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, Alex, are you able to show us how to do the mandibular arch now in the same fashion that you did on the maxillary?
Yes. So for the lower, it's pretty much the same as the upper, except you're pulling away from the gum line. So you'll just place your SLX opening tool into the bracket hole, and I use my pointer finger to actually push the bracket open instead of my thumb like I used for the upper. And just make sure you use your thumb this time for the finger rest underneath the tooth. So just push up and go all the way around, and you'll still hear that double click. And after the wire comes out and you put a new arch wire in, you'll just go back around with that bird beak plier and close the doors.
And can you show us again how to manage with a stubborn door?
Yes.
On this as well?
Same thing with the upper. If it's being stubborn while you're trying to pull open the door from this hole in the bottom, you can go up into this little V slot on the bracket with the tool and just open it that way. Just like that.
Perfect. Thanks, Alex.